मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली everyone. This is Asta Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops, and today we're going to learn this highly emotional song, highly emotional connect for me as a daughter and as a mother of two daughters. This is Raazi se Dilbaro. Let's get started with this tutorial.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Please do not mind this volcano on my face. It is eruptive feeling. I'm really so much in pain because of this, and I cut my finger. So if I'm not pressing too hard, please pardon me because I have cut my finger because of the mehendi. You can't see it. I've cut my finger with the knife. That's why this tutorial stands delay.
Okay, let's quickly start it. These are the chords. This is the strumming pattern. If you already know it, then skip. Otherwise, here we go. So the chords that we are playing are just like Luka Chupi, but I'm also using, just like Luka Chupi, I'm using a capo on the 3rd fret. You can use it as per your own pitch. You can completely chuck it off. It depends on what scale you want to play. Okay, this finger is giving me problem. So we're gonna play C. The first chord is C, which is the first string of your 3rd fret. Then we have A minor, which is use your middle finger, the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then we have F. Keep your A minor intact. Just take your index finger, put it on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, becomes F, and the last chord that we have is a G. Now G looks like a downward facing triangle. Use the 3rd and the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then use your ring finger to put it on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, G. These are the only chords we're going to use here. The strumming pattern that we're going to use is down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So it goes like this: down, up, down, up, down. Let's quickly play it on C first. A minor, F, and G. Up, down, and khalas. This is the strumming pattern. Very easy. If you want, you can also play this song on island strum, which is down, down, up, down, up. Okay? And let us start by first playing the 2 Kashmiri lines, which I think are the core of the song. These lines are very easy to play, and it's just so beautiful. So let's start by playing them. Chords we're going to use here are C, F, and G, and then we'll go back to C. Okay, this is a progression. So it goes something like this. And then खूर पे हम लोग चल जाएंगे F, G, देव में रुखसात म्यान, and then बाई पे चल जाएंगे F, बाई जानू, and then we'll start again. Okay, now let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, let's go. मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो falls on the same page, so let's do it together. मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो. Okay? Okay, now let's learn the next part of the song, which is the first paragraph. बहुत easy है. We're going to use C, then we'll go to F line by line, then we're going to go to A minor, then there's a little bit of G, which if you cannot play it, you can skip, and then we go to C back to C. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Watch me, and then we'll do together. उंगली पकड़ के तूने F, चलना सिखाया था ना. A minor, दहलीज ऊंची है. G, पार, just one strum, पार करा दे. Okay, so ये G can get tricky if you're playing it like उस G पे आना tricky हो सकता है. अगर आप पहली बार बजा रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो फ्लो पे आ जाएगा. और अगर फिर भी आपको tricky लग रहा है, then you can stay at A minor and then go to C ultimately, skip G. but G से ना एक अच्छा सा polish आता है, मतलब एकदम अच्छे से set होता है. Alright, so let's do it one more time together. उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे. Say, बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरू, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरू, फसलें जो काटी जाए. Moving to the next paragraph, I'm going to do this and then the rest goes exactly the same, so you can carry on from there. Okay, so the chords we're going to use here are just the C, F and G, and then we'll go back to C. This is how it's going to go. Okay, C से फसलें जो काटी जाए, F उगती नहीं है, G बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए, C मुड़ती नहीं है. ओके, फसलें जो काटी जाए उगती नहीं है, बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए मुड़ती नहीं है, ऐसी विदाई हो तो लंबी जुदाई हो तो दहलीज दर्द की भी पार करा दे, बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे, बच्चा से खाना शो दिल में रुखसात म्यान बाय जानू, बच्चा से खाना शो. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Surpasses all kind of beauty, right? Parents and their children. It's the most beautiful love ever. Ever. I can cross my heart and say this. Ever. So that's all for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned well from it. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas. Enjoy the festivities. Bye.